Hi everyone, welcome to class. Hi there. We have a little visitor today. Okay, this is a special day. We're going to be doing vocabulary. Yes, indeed. And one of the easy words would be scarecrow. We have a scarecrow here, don't we? Yes. But sorry. Nope, that is not our vocabulary. We have something a bit more challenging. So what I need you to do, let me get a pointer. Blue. I need you to get out paper and a pen or pencil, okay? We've got a lot to work with. So there are a lot of notes to take today, okay? Every so often that happens, such as it would be nice if the word were scarecrow. Okay, because we can see what a scarecrow is, can't we? All right. So we're going to start, let me see. This way, that. We're going to start over here. A little bit of science. Okay, I believe last class period we did a little bit of math. So we're we're getting a feel for words from all different places. After all, we're trying to build up our vocabulary. Okay? Okay. So come on over here. We're going to start with structure. Okay? Structure. We're not talking about structure as in the class. Structure, we know what we're doing each and every day. Okay? We're talking about the body, such as the organs. Okay? So the organs are, are arranged in certain ways. Okay, so it's like a structure as in a classroom, but it means the body. All right, so arrangement of elements in the body. So the organs, basically, just one example, know exactly where they should be. Cell. Oh, cell. That's an interesting one. Okay. It has to do with the structure. So it is the smallest the smallest of these units. And it's alive. Okay? And it can function, it can work on its own. It doesn't need someone to tell him, hey, you need to let the blood flow through the body. No, it knows what to do. So that's the cell. The smallest structural unit. Okay. Organelles. What an interesting word, isn't it? Organelles. Make sure you put 2 L's there. Okay. So, everything seems to go together. Okay. So we have a cell part. It almost looks like an organ in the body. Okay. But it has a special function. It has special duties, special jobs to do. So that's your organelles. Okay, a cell part that resembles an organ in having a special function. So organelles, they have their duties. Now the nucleus, we're talking about like a mass, okay, in the body. And it's a mass present in the inside of nearly all of the living cells. So in our cells, if we go back to here, smallest structural unit, the smallest structure, okay, unit, okay, and we go back to that of living that can go on its own, can function by itself. In that cell, we have a mass, okay. So there's something in the cell. All right. Any questions with those 4? Now, let's look at number 5. There were no questions, right? Nope. Okay, if you have questions, let me know. Discover. When we discover, we try to find out. We try to learn. Okay. So we had structure, cell, organelles, the nucleus. Okay. So arrangement of elements, smallest structure, looks like an organ, and it's a mass. Okay. So now we come over here. some more exciting words. Remember what I said at the beginning of this lesson. Make sure you're taking notes. Okay? Make sure you're taking notes. And make sure you understand what I'm trying to say. Now, excuse me, a little frog in the throat. Okay, engineering. Now, some people have a job. They work in engineering. So what is that? That's where you apply, in other words, you put to use the knowledge that you have about certain fields, such as physics, biology, chemistry. Okay, right? So that's what engineering is about. And quite often it deals with building things. Okay. Create. When we create, we produce. We build. Creativity. We're very productive. We're artistic. Detail. You can be very specific. So when someone says, I need a detail, you're dealing with item by item. Okay, you never want to overlook anything. You want to make sure you've got every item. Okay, research. That's a good one. Remember, I had you research what? Anybody remember? Yes, a nursery rhyme. Exactly. So that's where you go and investigate a subject to find out some facts. As with the nursery rhyme, I had you guys go and research another nursery rhyme. So you can build up in your knowledge of rhymes. Okay? Not just twinkle, twinkle, little star. And then science. Okay? It's a type of study, a type of subject where you're dealing with facts. Facts. So it's not necessarily, oh, I'm going to science class. Yay! I love science. No. It could be a type of science dealing with math, because you're dealing with a branch of study that deals with a body of facts. So in a math class, you could be dealing with a body of facts. You are dealing with facts, aren't you? Okay. Any questions about any of these words? Any of these? You may see them again. You may have seen them already. You may hear them. Doesn't matter. Add them to your vocabulary. Add them to your vocabulary. Okay? So, structure, cell, organelles, nucleus, discover, and then these over here. All right, if there are no questions, Scarecrow has an assignment for you. Scarecrow wants you to send today, as soon as you're done, immediately to Miss Faust's address, 6. In other words, I want you to choose 6 of these words. Hold on. I want you to pick 3 from here, 3 from here. Do you understand? So 3 from this side, 3 from that side. I want you to pick 3 words, and then you should have a total of 6. And I want you to write down any of your notes that you have, whether it's this or whether you took notes, added notes. In other words, you took those and then you added something that I may have said. Okay? So you had 6 words with definitions, and I want you to send that information to me today. All right? And say goodbye to Mr. Scarecrow. No, no, no. He's not one of your vocabulary words. Sorry. Have a great day. That's what we wish you, a great day. Bye-bye. Bye.